Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some modern cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Modern cottage decor is a beautiful blend of cozy cottage charm with the clean, airy feel of modern design. It gives the warmth and comfort of cottage style but adds sleek touches, lighter palettes, and uncluttered layouts. Here are some key elements. Key features of modern cottage decor. Color palette. Soft neutrals like whites, creams, light grays, and beige. Gentle accents in sage green, muted blues, or blush tones. Furniture. Streamlined pitches with small lines but cozy textures. Vintage-inspired furniture with modern finishes. Painted wood, natural work, or matte black accents. Textures and fabrics. Linen, cotton, and wool for a casual, soft look. Lightly patterned throws and cushions, gingham, stripes, or small florals. Wood and natural elements, exposed beams or wood accents in a light finish. Mix of natural wood and painted wood, often white or pastel tones. Lighting. Lost of natural light, shade curtains, or Roman shades. Pendant lights in wicker, rattan, or sleek metal for a modern twist. Decor details. Minimal clutter. Choose a few statement pieces instead of overcrowding. Artwork with botanical prints, simple line drawings, or countryside landscapes. Fresh flowers, potted herbs, and greenery to keep the airy cottage feel. Kitchen and dining. Open shelving with neatly arranged ceramics and glassware. Farmhouse tables paired with modern chairs. Apron front sinks and clean subway tile backsplashes. Modern cottage decor tips. Start with light walls. Use whites, creams, or soft pastels as your base to keep the space bright and airy. Mix old and new. Pair a vintage farmhouse table with sleek modern chairs. Add antique mirrors or dressers, but balance with modern lighting fixtures. Keep it simple. Avoid heavy clutter. Choose a few statement decor items like a ceramic vase, a rustic clock, or a oven basket. Choose natural fabrics. Go for linen curtains, cotton straws, and textured cushions for a casual, cozy look. Embrace open shelving in the kitchen. Display neatly stacked dishes, mugs, or jars with herbs for a gorgeous feel. Use subtle patterns. Incorporate stripes, gingham, or soft florals in pillows, rugs, or upholstery. Keep patterns light, not bold. Add greenery. Use potted herbs in the kitchen, a vase of fresh flowers on the dining table, or leafy plants in oven baskets. Warm up floors. Use jute rugs, braided rugs, or light patterned area rugs to add coziness to wood or tile floors. Statement lighting. Choose a oven rattan pendant light or a sleek matte black candelier to mix cottage warmth with modern edges. Vintage finds with a modern update. Repaint an old cabinet in a chunky white versus green. Swap old knobs for sleek brass or black hardware. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.